This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 4 stitches, and I have 16 stitches here on my needles for this little sample. The first row, you're going to start by knitting 4, and then begin your pattern repeat. And it's yarn over twice. You're going to do a double yarn over, 1, 2, and then knit 4. And you'll just do that to the end of the row. Yarn over twice, knit 4, yarn over twice, and knit 4. For row 2 of the pattern, you're going to start by purling the first 2 stitches, and then begin your pattern repeat. And it's purl 2 together, and then when you get to your double yarn over from the previous row, you see you have 2 here. You're going to work each one separately. So you're going to purl that first one, slide it off the needle, and then you're going to knit your second yarn over. Then you're going to purl 2 together, and again purl 2 together, purl 1 into the first double yarn over, and then knit into the second one, purl 2 together, purl 2 together, purl 1 into your first yarn over, knit 1 into the second yarn over, purl 2 together, and you'll finish your row by purling 2. The third row of the pattern, you're going to start by knitting 2, then yarn over, and begin your pattern repeat. And it's knit 4, going to make another double yarn over, so 1, 2, knit 4, your double yarn over, and you'll end your last repeat with knit 4, yarn over, and knit 2. So row 4 of the pattern, you're going to start by purling 3, and then your pattern repeat is purl 2 together twice. So purl 2 together, purl 2 together, and again you have your double yarn over. You're going to purl into that first one, slide it off the needle, and then knit into the second one. So purl 2 together twice. Purl 1 into your first yarn over. Knit into the second yarn over. And you're going to end the last repeat with purl 2 together, purl 2 together, and then purl 3. And that's it. You would just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.